Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I like to share with you an unboxing, a first look of the CJRB KnifeCenter exclusive Feldspar Mini. So for all those of you who maybe don't like the full size or want to have something small, CJRB, which is a sister company of Hardness Cutlery, has a really nice company policy that if they can, they will be releasing a full size and also a small size version of the same knife, which I'm really happy that such a policy exists. So the model number of the small one is J19112MS-BMB. Inside the box we have silica packet, so definitely everything here on the box is mostly focused to give you the best possible price to performance ratio. There are no pouches, no microfiber cloths, or nothing that could keep the price higher than it's supposed to be, and that is definitely what we like to have, because all the value will be not spent on some fancy packaging and pouches that, yes, they are nice, but let's face it, you will not use them. And if you are a knife hobby collector or enthusiast, you will definitely have a couple of them and they will take up lots of space. So but let's focus on this beautiful medium size knife. So this is the Feldspar Mini. What to say more than I have probably said in the full size version video. I must say, so I will be repeating myself if you did not see that video, but yeah, it is one of the probably the best EDC designs that I did lay my hands on and eyes on for a couple of years, and I really like it. So you will get really nice features with this KnifeCenter exclusive. So you have, like I mentioned, the beautiful burlap, traditional, not polished, not buffed, so micarta, deep carry pocket clip, and thank you for the Stonewash D2, because that is way to go. If you don't want to spend extra money for acid washing, then the Stonewash, just the regular Stonewash, is much better than any kind of bead blasting that troubles some good designs. Okay, so let me give you the specifications like I always do. So we have an overall length of 17.8 centimeters, which is 7 inches. The blank length is 7.6 centimeters, this is 3 inches. So this is good to know that if you live in a jurisdiction where 3 inches and less are permitted, then this is knife for you. The blade width is 2.4 centimeters, 0.9 inches. The blade thickness is 2.7 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The handle is 10.2 centimeters or 4 inches long, and the thickness without the pocket clip is 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Let me jump back to the cutting edge, 7.3 centimeters or 2.87 inches on the dot. Okay, so on the handle we have beautifully milled out, nested, full stainless steel liners with milling to weight reduction, and also we have, like I mentioned, nice natural style burlap micarta. We have a liner lock to secure the blade, perfectly centered, opened stand of construction. You have a decent lanyard hole, and what I probably forgot to mention on the full size, but the full size also has it, you have also a position to mount the pocket clip on either side. So all your left-handed users rejoice, this is from CJRB, they thought about you, and this is something you can use for your EDC carry. Log engagement is really nice. like I mentioned, perfectly centered, so all boxes are checked. Nice, nice handle, good pocket clip, which is a deep carry with a medium tightness. So yeah, let's see the sharpness. So out of the box, this full flat grounded blades, or partially flat ground, is really nice and sharp. Then jump into the pocket and perfectly goes in without any problems. It will not shred your pockets. So definitely they designed this for the pleasure to carry as a EDC knife, which I'm really happy to see that you are getting an excellent design which functions like it's supposed to be, has all the boxes for me personally checked. So yeah, I can be not more happy. The pit assembly rides on KVT, so ceramic cage ball bearings. The weight counts at 70.8 grams or 2.5 ounces. We have a really nice spear point, let's call it spear point drop point combination, or drop point more configuration of the blade. Yeah, so definitely excellent for opening packages, cut up some maybe fruit, or maybe help you with the dinner on the fly, and also be able to help you with your day-to-day chores, whatever you have to open a package or maybe cut some things, will definitely be at your side. These are of course made in China. The price is, the MSRP is $63.40, but the price is $44.95. So yeah, $3 less than the full size. Okay, so let me show you a few size comparisons. So we will do it. Firstly, let me put into the frame the full size one. So there is your size difference. And now let's continue with a few options we have here on the table. So for the smaller ones, let me put in the Kaiser pinch, which is a ball detent non-locking slip joint. Here is the well-known CVV Elementum, rustic gent, also from CVV. We have here, I also grabbed a little quickly the Pillar 3 for your size comparisons convenience. And let's continue. This is the Ace Grand, and also Ace Biblio. So here's the Kaiser Backlighter 2. Here's a case Saltbuster Junior. The Kubi Aries. The Tucson 111 in Micarta. Little Main Street from Concept. This is Spyderco Delica. Kershaw Leak. Red Model 2. Buck Vintage Select Small. Here's a small reptilian. Rough Rider Peanut. Buck toothpick, Texas toothpick. QSP Penguin. And let's finish it up with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so let's conclude this video. Yeah, this is the same good and great knife like the full size, but in a smaller package. So if you live in a jurisdiction where only a 3-inch or sub 3-inch blade is permitted, then this is something for you. And maybe if you don't like to carry around a full size or large knife, or it's just too heavy for you, then there is also a great option you can choose from. I have to mention that this is a KnifeCenter exclusive, so I will put the link down below. Please keep in mind these are probably ordered and made in batches, so when this is sold out, it is this is sold out. I don't know if it will be returned or if it is even still available when I'm putting out this video, just because they are made in ahead of the time. Okay, so please keep that in mind. But definitely, if you like the design, then you can also check out different variants. There are different types of G10 available with, if I'm not mistaken, also a full black coated blade variant, but with all the great design features like this one, just not Micarta. But that is probably also subject to change. Maybe in the future they will release also different kind of micartas. Who knows? But for current, and I'm making the video in 2021, the micarta is limited to a exclusive retailer, which is KnifeCenter. Okay, with that being said, I'd like to thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, big thumbs up to you. If you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. Do not miss any future videos. I try to at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented. Try to get my hands around all new nice stuff, so can I share my first experiences with the knife and share with my subscribers here on my channel. Okay, with that being said, I'd like to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Hope you will be safe and have a nice day. Bye.